This right here, that's real deal homemade banana pudding. Just like my grandma used to make, no instant pudding here, no shortcuts. Just slow stirred stovetop custard layered with vanilla wafers and ripe bananas. It takes a little more time, but the payoff, it's worth every single minute. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. We're starting with a casserole dish. I'll begin by layering the bottom with vanilla wafers and banana slices. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I love banana pudding, but I don't love a ton of bananas. I'm more of a cookie girl. So for this recipe, I'm using 2 boxes of vanilla wafers and 3 bananas. You do what makes your heart happy. Add more or less of either. There's no judgment here. Now, let's get started with the heart of the pudding, the custard. It's made on the stovetop and it needs your full attention. Don't rush it. Don't walk away from it. If it scorches, you will be starting over. I'm beginning with 4 cups of half and half in a saucepan over medium heat. I'll add in 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I add a little of the flour at the time, whisking as I go to avoid lumps. Then I'll add in 4 egg yolks that have been beaten. I continue to whisk this over medium to medium-low heat. This part takes a little time. Once it starts to thicken, I switch back and forth between a whisk and a spoon. This makes sure that nothing is settling on the bottom or around the bend of the pan. When it reaches a nice, thick custard consistency, you'll remove it from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now listen, this is going to still be slightly runny at first, but once it chills in the fridge for a few hours, it will set up nicely. But just know, real homemade banana pudding isn't supposed to be stiff like the instant kind. It's softer, creamier, and seeps into every little crevice of those wafers and bananas. Now pour that warm custard right over your layered bananas and cookies. You can repeat the layers if you've got more to use. Just be sure to end with the custard on top. Let's talk toppings. There's a long-standing debate in the South, meringue or whipped cream. Around here, my family is team whipped cream, so that's what it will be today. Cover this with saran wrap and let it refrigerate for a few hours. The longer it chills, the better. I like mine to chill for about 8 to 10 hours, so I usually make this a day ahead of time. Then grab a spoon, some company, and enjoy what just might be the best part of summer in a dish. Thanks for joining me today. If this banana pudding reminds you of home, or if you're ready to try it for the first time, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Southern classics, and let me know in the comments, are you team whipped cream or team meringue? I'll see y'all next time.